Hi, my name is Nitya Raphael, and I'm the Executive Chairwoman of the Black Student Union at William Paterson University.
And my name is Jakai Mathis, and I'm the chairman of the Black Student Union at William Paterson University.
So the Black Student Union is a place where students of color can express their concerns, have a safe space, hang out with people who look like them, and have a fun time here on campus besides all the homework and the activities that you're doing.
We host a bunch of fun activities here on campus, including our Milk and Melanin event, which is a cultural celebration where we get dressed up and have a great time in our multi-purpose room. We also have our 90s kickback in our Zanfino Plaza. And our most important event on campus is our Black graduation, which is a separate graduation for our students of color, where they receive cords and certificates for their accomplishments that they have achieved throughout their 4 years here at William Paterson.
You should join the Black Student Union to have a bunch of faces who look like you, meet new people, and meet new friends.
We hope to see you this semester.
Every Wednesday at 7:30.